Hello and welcome to a brand new series of video tutorials for Paramics Discovery. My name is Malcolm and I'm delighted to be able to join you today and tell you about some of the new things that are coming to Paramics Discovery 24 for this summer 2020. We'll be doing one of these video tutorials every week as we build up to the launch to Paramics Discovery 24 this summer. So I would encourage you to sign up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and you won't miss out on any of the new content. So the feature I want to show you today is one of several features to do with being able to assess individual vehicles and how they're traveling through the network. And the one today is particularly about the routes that an individual vehicle will take through the network. Now, before we look at that, I want to just show you what you can already do in terms of routes on the network, and that's through the route viewer, and I can access that through the visualize menu. With my route viewer open, I'm going to select an origin link and a destination zone, and I can see the route that vehicles will take from that origin to destination. So what's presented there is the lowest cost route for a car, and with a perturbation of 0, which means there's no variation in perception, it only gives me one route. Now if I increase that percentage, let's say to 5, I'll start to get some variation of routes as different drivers perceive the cost of different routes differently, with a little bit of perturbation in there. And I can also see which route I'm looking at in particular by selecting them on the left hand side. So that's what we could do already with the route viewer in Paramics Discovery. And now what I can do is I can identify an individual vehicle and analyze which one of those routes that vehicle will actually take. Now to help me with that, I'm going to mark the vehicles. So again, I'm going to go to the Visualize tab and Vehicle Marking. And I'm going to mark vehicles going from zone 68316, which is the zone here, to 68311, which is the zone over here. So all the vehicles that are doing that movement will be colored in green. If I start my simulation, and I'll just set it at a reasonable speed so I can catch a vehicle, I'm going to be looking for a green vehicle coming out of here. So there's one there. So I know that this vehicle is going to this destination over here. And now what I can do is select a new button at the top called Turn Vehicles Paths On or Off. And so if I click on that, I can see the exact path that that vehicle will take to its destination. Okay, so I can see that it's choosing this path here. Now if I close my route viewer down, I can see that more clearly, the exact path that that vehicle is taking. Okay, and I could select a different vehicle and see a different path for that vehicle. So now with this new feature, you're able to see the exact path that an individual vehicle will take as it travels through the network. And I can also use the following feature. So if I click on Vehicle Following and fix the angle, I can then follow that vehicle as it makes that journey through the network. So this new feature, the ability to see the exact route or path that a vehicle will take to get from its origin to destination, can be really useful for drilling down into a level of detail that you couldn't previously get. This is a tool that can be really useful for interrogating the vehicle behavior within your simulation. It could be great when you've just added traffic onto the network, your first trip matrix, to check how vehicles are behaving and the routes they're taking, and could also be really useful as you get further down the calibration process and really refine the vehicle behavior and route choice. Okay, so that's the first of many features that we're going to be demonstrating for Paramics Discovery 24. As I say, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on next week's and several more after that. We look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.